So, if you're wondering what we're doing today, we are going on a drum roll, please. 4-island tour at Koh Kradan.
Yes.
At Koh Kradan.
And there's a really good price difference. Like, thank you so much.
Thank you, Cap.
You save a good bit of money by not doing the private one. So we're gonna give it a try, and we're gonna see.
I think it's gonna be fun.
I think it's gonna be fun too.
Because last time we tried to book a island hopping tour, we got sick.
Sometimes life just gets in the way. Sometimes you have something planned and you just don't feel good that day. Or maybe even you push through and you end up going, but you just don't have the best time because you don't feel good. Well, me and don't feel good today. After a short ride across the island, we arrived at Old Lanta Pier, where dozens of travelers gather each morning before heading out to the nearby islands.
Once everyone checked in, we climbed aboard our Longtail boat and started cruising out across the Andaman Sea. Alright, so this is gonna be our home for the whole day.
Swadee krab. This welcome to the 4-island trip by the Longtail. This my name is Mas. Just have program today. 2 stops snorkeling, 1 stop to the cave, and 2 stops to the beach for lunch for relax. You can take every time and have the fresh fruit, watermelon, and pineapple later. Okay, thank you very much. ขอบคุณครับ Thank you, Mas. ขอบคุณครับ
You ready to explore? Let's go.
Right now, it's not crowded at all. There's like no one here.
No. It's perfect timing. Yeah, this is definitely giving the beach vibes. So this is base camp for 30 minutes.
This is base camp.
I don't want no problems today. Please don't come try to stop my wave. I don't want no problems today. Please don't come stop my wave. Hey.
Yeah, Daisha's on the phone with her mom.
That's what we do.
What time is it there?
9:43.
At night.
Will you FaceTime me, Mama? Yes.
And it's 10:43 in the morning here. Not bad. Next part, snorkeling.
Said the more we drink special lamba, special lamba, special lamba. More we drink special lamba, and the happier we shall be. La 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 la, le 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 le.
Name the island Koh Kradan. Stop about 40 minutes. At the reef don't have for the long 2 way. Finish time for the snorkeling, you come back on the boat and we go to beach for the lunch. Okay.
40 minutes.
40 minutes. Crap.
See you in the water.
I'm going in, baby.
Let's go. The sea anemone. I kept diving, and at one point I went too much and my contact popped out of my eye. because of the pressure. So
Yeah.
I was like,
We went to a random boat. I think they were at like a private tour.
It was,
And
and
we
they were
just
like-
crawled up on the boat.
I was like, sorry, I'm boarding your boat, but I gotta fix my contact, and I don't think they spoke English.
They were like, oh, cool.
Yeah. Oh. Bye bye. Good job. Woo! You survived. Thank you, Cop. Oh, you got me a spoon. Let's go.
Let me take your arm anymore. Whoa, you're so cool.
That's our menu today. The first one, massaman chicken with potato, and the fried noodle, and the last one, fried vegetable, and have the cola water inside.
Thank
you very much.
you.
Welcome everybody.
So I think in my mind, what I was expecting was that we were going to go to like some sort of restaurant that had a buffet that had been sitting out all day, and that just a ton of people would go through it. It was set up just for this boat. I think the experience is literally exactly the same, except there's
Just more people.
There's
Little
just
bit-
more
little
people.
bit more people.
But this is awesome.
Is it good?
I think so.
Oh, crap, dude. Just very relaxing, very
Yeah, I've had fun.
vibey.
Like you said, people would complain that it was too short. For what we've paid, if we do one more thing and then head back, I'm content.
And the next stop we go Koh Muk, the Emerald Cave. Okay, the cave not snorkeling, no mess, only swimming. And I have the light, and for the child all the way. And wear the light jacket, everybody. And I have waterproof bag, the dry bag. You want to take photo inside the cave, you can put camera or telephoto inside the bag. I take camera, you go inside. From here to the cave about 20 minutes.
Secret beach, and this is actually a secret beach. The only way that you can get to it is to go through Emerald Cave. This is so cool. What it feels like is like there's the jungle on this side, and then there's the beach on this side with the cave. So like when you see the limestone mountain in the middle of the water, what it feels like is that we saw one and it's hollow, and this is just in the middle of it. That's what it's like. And I think maybe we were a little bit more shocked because we didn't read the itinerary.
No.
So
we were just told, hey, this is better. And we're
so
like, okay.
I just thought that we were going through a cave. I didn't know that there was a beach at the end of it. I'm not even kidding. I didn't know.
I asked him right before we got here, and he was like, I was like, is there a beach inside? He was like, yes, there's a beach. I'm like, oh, Daisha doesn't know this.
No, I didn't. When I got to the end, I was like, what?
No.
I thought we were just going out the other side. That's why you kept saying, just wait, baby.
Name the island, Koh Cheuk. One more time snorkeling and the last program today. Something about 30 minutes. Take half hour. Be careful over there, have the oyster on the rock. You not touch, you not kick, and you not step on the rock. The oyster have the very sharp. Okay? Okay, crap.
Thank you.
very
gosh.
Holy crap.
What
look at
happened
that.
to you?
It's just, it was so tight on my brain that it left a permanent indention. So if you go snorkeling, you may have a mark on you forever.
Forever. It's the...
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, they're ready.
From here to the pier about 1 hour. Okay. You want to sleep, you can. You can sleep. Okay,
Sounds
thank you
good.
very much.
By the end of the day, we had visited 4 incredible islands, explored a hidden cave lagoon, snorkeled some beautiful reefs, and met some really amazing people along the way. If you're visiting Koh Lanta, this tour is easily one of the best ways to experience the islands nearby. We loved every part of it and would absolutely recommend adding it to your trip.